By 2025, the tech we use today will look like ancient history. Imagine a world where flying taxis, smart contact lenses, and AI-powered home robots are part of your everyday life. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's closer than you think. Stick around as we reveal 10 incredible tech gadgets that will revolutionize how we live, work, and play in the near future. Welcome to Giganova Tech, where we explore the future of technology. Today, we're diving into 2025 to discover the game-changing gadgets that will redefine how we live, from AI-powered assistants to flying taxis. Let's jump into the future and see what's next. The future of technology is going to offer us inventions that are going to be revolutionary and will completely change the way we live our lives. It is anticipated that by the year 2025, consumer electronics will be able to seamlessly integrate with our homes, places of employment, and even our bodies, thereby improving convenience, health, and enjoyment. For your perusal in the year 2025, here are 10 incredible technological devices. Number 10, foldable and rollable smartphones. So, what is it? The year 2025 will see the introduction of more advanced folding and rollable displays, which will enable smartphones to extend their screen size or roll up like scrolls for easier portability. Folding smartphones such as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold are already making waves in the market. What it is capable of? By combining the portability of a phone with the functionality of a tablet, these gadgets will provide consumers with larger screens without the additional heft that comes along with them. The rollable screens will be especially helpful for multitasking, the creation of content, and the consumption of immersive media while on the move. Number 9, wearable health monitors. So, what is it? In the year 2025, wearable technology will go beyond the realm of fitness tracking to provide comprehensive health monitoring. This monitoring will include monitoring anything from blood sugar levels, hydration, and even early indicators of disease, as well as monitoring the heart rate and the quality of sleep. What it is capable of. These cutting-edge wearables will be able to do continuous health diagnostics in real time, which will make it simpler to manage chronic ailments, identify illnesses at an earlier stage, and improve overall wellness. People will be able to take a greater level of control over their health than ever before because of the introduction of technologies such as smartwatches, smart clothing, and even implanted chips. Number 8, AI-powered smart glasses. So, what is it? By the year 2025, augmented reality, AR, smart glasses will have reached their full potential, allowing for the seamless integration of digital information with the actual environment. It is possible that Google Glass was ahead of its time, but the most recent iterations will bring augmented reality to life in an entirely new way. What it is capable of. The use of hands-free navigation, translations, video calls, facial recognition, and real-time data overlays are some of the features that will be available with smart glasses. The digital experience that these glasses deliver will be seamless and integrated directly into your field of vision, making them ideal for a variety of activities including gaming, virtual meetings, and navigating a new city. Number 7, iHome robots. So, what is it? By the year 2025, it will be commonplace to have home robots powered by artificial intelligence that can perform tasks around the house and serve as personal assistants. The basic vacuuming machines that these robots are currently capable of will eventually evolve into multifunctional helpers that are able to clean, cook, organize, and even provide companionship. What is capable of? A wide range of domestic responsibilities ranging from the preparation of meals to the folding of laundry will be within the capabilities of robots such as Tesla's Optimus or other comparable devices. In addition to this, they will interface with your smart home system, allowing you to manage gadgets, provide security, and provide personalized help depending on your preferences and habits. Number 6, smart contact lenses. So, what is it? It will be possible for people to see digital data superimposed on their real-world environment with the use of smart contact lenses, such to the ones that are currently being developed by Mojo Vision. This will eliminate the need for smart glasses or smartphones. What it is capable of. To keep your hands free, these lenses may display notifications, navigation instructions, or fitness data. In addition, they could display fitness statistics. Within the realm of healthcare, smart contact lenses will be able to monitor eye health and track biometrics, such as glucose levels for diabetics. These lenses will also provide real-time updates and notifications. Before we continue to explore these groundbreaking gadgets and move to number 5, if you're finding this video interesting, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech content. Now let's get back to discovering the future. Number 5, flying taxis. So, what is it? Because businesses such as Uber and EHang are already conducting tests on autonomous aerial vehicles, it is possible that flying taxis will become a reality in urban areas by the year 2025. Commute times and traffic congestion will be substantially reduced thanks to these cars. which will offer a form of transportation that is reminiscent of the future. What it is capable of. For short to medium distances, flying taxis will provide transportation that is both efficient and environmentally beneficial. This is especially true in large cities where road traffic is a significant problem. Urban mobility will be taken to the skies with the advent of autonomous flying automobiles, which will make travel both more efficient and environmentally friendly. Number 4. Wireless charging rooms. So, what is it? With the development of wireless charging technology, entire rooms will be outfitted with transmitters that will enable you to charge your electronic gadgets without the use of cords or charging mats. The concept is already being developed by companies such as WeCharge, and it is possible that it may become common by the year 2025. What it is capable of. Instead of having to place your phone on a charging station, you will be able to stroll into a room and your devices will automatically charge themselves in response to your presence. A clutter-free and cord-free experience will be created by this technology, which will expand beyond phones to encompass laptops, smartwatches, and other wearables with similar capabilities. Number 3. Personal AI assistants. So what is it? In spite of the fact that we now have AI-powered assistants such as Siri and Google Assistant, the year 2025 will witness the emergence of much more advanced personal AI assistants. These assistants will comprehend and anticipate our requirements on a deeper level, functioning in a manner that is reminiscent of digital life coaches. What is capable of? It will be possible for these artificial intelligence assistants to manage everything from organizing calendars and operating smart homes to providing support for mental health or financial advice. In addition to being able to carry on conversations that are more natural and personalized, they will also be able to provide recommendations that are meaningful and integrate seamlessly with all of your connected devices. Number 2. Holographic displays. So, what is it? By the year 2025, holographic displays are expected to become the center of attention in the world of technology. These displays will provide fully immersive 3D projections that may be used for professional purpose, communication, and entertainment. Without the need for virtual reality or augmented reality glasses, this technology is being developed by companies to project holograms. What it is capable of? The use of holographic displays will allow you to have vivid experiences in real time, regardless of whether you are viewing a movie, playing a video game, or attending a virtual meeting. Imagine being able to attend a performance or a meeting with someone who is located on the opposite side of the planet and having their hologram appear right in front of you. Number 1. Modular laptops and smartphones. So what is it? Users will be able to customize and upgrade particular components of their devices, like as random access memory or RAM, CPUs, or cameras, without having to replace the entire device. This is made possible by modular technology. The concept of modular phones was initially proposed by Google's Project Era, and it is anticipated that by the year 2025, it would become more widely used. What it is capable of? By enabling consumers to simply replace certain components of their technology rather than purchasing new devices, modular laptops and smartphones will provide users with increased control over their technology experience. Not only does this save money, but it also aids in the promotion of sustainability by lowering the amount of electronic trash. Final thoughts. The distinctions between the digital and physical worlds will become increasingly blurry by the year 2025 as a result of the incorporation of future devices into our everyday lives. This will result in a transformation of how we work, play, and interact with one another. There will be breakthroughs in technology that will make it more convenient, improve healthcare, and make technology more personalized and sustainable than it has ever been before. These advancements will include flying taxis and smart contact lenses, among other things. A future in which innovation continues to push boundaries and transform the globe is the future that we are moving towards, and these 10 incredible gadgets symbolize only the beginning of that future with us. If you're excited about the future of tech, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to Giganova Tech. Stay tuned for more breakthroughs and innovations. See you in the next video.